Here we have our workpiece. The diameter h0. And we use different tools. Here we have a tool with width very big. And the slide lines during deformation, if we go down with the tool in the workpiece, are along 45, nearly 45 degrees. So we have a deformation along this line. Here we have much deformation, here we have no deformation. And if we have porosity here, here we have the chance to close it, but not here. If we have a very narrow tool, like here, the slide lines are again under 45 degrees. And if we have porosity here, we don't reach with the narrow tool the center line. So we have no compression in the center line and we have no closing of the porosity or cavities. So the relation between the width of the tool and the diameter of the workpiece must be bigger than the minimum value.